You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this name, the name of the supermarket chain, originally from Germany? Yes, there's quite a few from Germany. And if you want to learn how to pronounce some famous ones, even more famous ones from Germany, make sure to stay tuned. Edeka is how it's pronounced in German indeed, so it's easy to pronounce it the same way in French. Edeka, Edeka, with a stress on the first syllable. Edeka. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.